Today we're gonna discuss about chest discomfort. The chest discomfort is a common challenge for all clinicians in the emergency department. So understanding about the chest discomfort is most important. So first we discuss what causes chest discomfort. First is myocardial ischemia. Patient with myocardial ischemia and injury. Usually myocardial ischemia um, it's more than 30 minutes the patient feel pain, that like the pain is usually the pressure pain, like it's a tightness kind of pain. Second most common reason for chest in discomfort is unstable angina. Unstable and stable angina. Third, aortic diseases. It can be aortic dissection, it can be aortic stenosis, various it can be. Fourth, pericarditis. What is actually pericarditis? It is inflammation in the pericardium. Pericardium, which is cover our heart. This is heart. The pericardium is the layer which cover the heart. It's get infection, so it's called pericardial infection. Other one, fifth one, is pulmonary embolism. Pulmonary hypertension. Pneumothorax. Esophageal diseases. Peptic ulcer. Gallbladder. Gallbladder diseases. There are a lot of causes caused chest discomfort. Next video, I will discuss each of causes and I will explain how to identify the chest pain, like which causes caused which what kind of chest pain. Those are things I will explain next video.